If you are in your 40s or even your 50s and you're thinking of starting a business from scratch, listen up. It's never too late and you're not behind. And you don't need a fancy degree, connections, or even a massive bank loan. All you need is the right mindset, a clear plan, and a few real strategies. Let me show you how. My name is Davis, and I started my own pressure washing business later in life with no investors and barely any money. If you're ready to start your own service business, whether it is pressure washing, window cleaning, landscaping, or something else, then this video is for you. So let us start. Number one, your age is an advantage, not a setback. Let's break this myth. You're not too old to start. In fact, people in their 40s and 50s have more life experience, maturity, work ethic, and people skills. That gives you a huge advantage when it comes to trust and professionalism, especially in the service business. 2, start with what you have. You may not have a lot of money, but you've got the time, determination, discipline, and maybe even tools in your garage. Start small. Rent or buy used equipment. Offer your friends or neighbors a free job in exchange for testimonies. You don't need everything to be right now. You need your first few wins. 3, focus on high demand, low barrier businesses. Pressure washing is a great example. Low startup cost, minimum learning curve, high local demand, and very satisfying before and after results. You can get started with $500 to $1,000 and turn a profit in your first month with the right approach. 4, build around your strength. If you worked in a job for years, customer service, maintenance, trades, or even sales, those skills are gold. This is not about being flashy or very technical. It is about being reliable, friendly, and professional. Those are things people in their 40s naturally do. 5, don't waste time on perfection. Too many people wait for the perfect moment to start. A perfect logo, the perfect track, or the perfect website. But you don't need that. Start now. Knock on doors, hand out flyers, post on Facebook Marketplace. The most successful business owners execute, not overthink. 6, use your network. You probably know more people than a 20-year-old starting out. Use that. Tell friends, family, and ex-co-workers, hey, I'm just starting my pressure washing business. If you know anyone who needs a driveway, patio cleaned, please let me know. The 7th one is keep it simple. Just get your first 5 paying clients. Forget scaling, branding, or social media fame. Get your first 5 paying clients. Deliver results and get reviews. Build referrals. That's where the real momentum starts. The 8th one is you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Watch videos like mine, copy proven methods, trick as you go, and stay consistent. It is not about being a genius. It is about execution. If you are in your 40s or 50s and you're thinking about starting your own business, drop a comment below. I would love to hear where you are in your journey. Subscribe for weekly videos on business, money, and much more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.